Hello my dear students, I'm your maths teacher from the interactive learning system Dunyapur, and this is maths video lesson 20 for you people. Today our topic is De Morgan's laws through Venn diagram, and I'll try to verify its first part in this video lesson, which states that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is the mathematical expression of the first part of the De Morgan's laws. Let's verify this law, its first part, through Venn diagram. So, I have divided this page into two columns. The left column, in the left column, I will represent its left part through Venn diagram, and in the right column, I'll represent its right part, that is A complement intersection B complement to Venn diagram. So let's start it. Now focus on this operation A union B complement. To represent this operation through Venn diagram, I will do this in two steps. In the first step, I will represent A union B only, okay, and in the second step, I'll find its complement. So to represent A union B, I have drawn here a rectangle which represents the universal set, and two circles which represents set A and set B. Okay, and to represent this operation of A union B, I have colored the whole of the circle A and whole of the circle B. We have already discussed it in detail to how to represent the union of two sets, and it's a very simple thing. You only need to color the whole of the circle A and whole of the circle B, and this is the representation of A union B, and this is the first part of this representation. Okay, and in the second step, what I will do, I will find its complement, the complement of A union B. So what I have to do, now I need to leave this part, this colored part, I have to minus it. I will leave this part, the circle A and circle B, the part that I already colored, I will leave it uncolored, and I will color the rest of the area, the rest of the rectangle, okay, leaving A and B circle uncolored. I'll color the whole of the rectangle, and this will be the representation of A union B complement. Okay, and this is here. I've already done it for you people. I have already colored it, the whole of the U, the whole of the rectangle, leaving circle A and circle B, and this is the representation of A union B complement. Okay, so we have done it. We have represented the left hand side of the law through Venn diagram in two steps. Now I'll focus on the right hand side of the law that says A complement intersection B complement, and to represent this operation through Venn diagram, I'll do it in three steps. First, I'll show A complement in first diagram, and then in the second one I'll show the B complement, and then I'll make their intersection. So to represent A complement, what I need to do, I need to leave this circle of A uncolored, and I'll color the rest of the whole area. Okay, the whole of the circle B, except that, of course, which is this overlapping area, because I don't need to color A. I'll leave this whole of the circle A uncolored. Okay, I'll not color it, and I'll color the rest of the area, and this is the representation of A complement. I'll leave A minus A, everything minus A. I'll color everything minus A. And to represent B complement, I'll leave B uncolored. Okay, I'll not color B. I'll minus B. Okay, minus B, leaving B or except B, I'll color the whole of the picture. And this is the representation of B complement. So now in first diagram, I have represented A complement. In the second diagram, I have represented B complement, and now I need to find their or represent their intersection through Venn diagram. So what I'll do, this is a little tricky, so focus here. See, we need to compare these two now. We need to find their intersection. So we need to focus here. Okay. Now, if this picture and this picture has three parts: a universal set, set A and set B. Here, universal set, set A and set B. So we'll compare set A first. This A part is without color, and this A is with color. You know, some of A is colored and some of it is not colored. So we'll leave these two, you know, the A set uncolored. We'll not color it because we are finding their intersection. And to color this part, if both of the circles are colored, then we'll color it in the third picture, otherwise no. So here, because it is not colored, it is without color, and here it is some part of A is colored. So I leave it here uncolored. And focus on B. Here some part of B is colored, but here the whole of B is not colored. So I leave B uncolored. Okay. Now focus on the universal set, leaving these two circles behind. Don't focus on A and B, focus on universal set. The whole of the universal set except A and B don't focus on these two things. Okay, the whole of the picture, the whole of the rectangle is colored. Here the whole of the rectangle is colored, so I'll color it. Okay, so this is the representation of A complement intersection B complement. Okay, now this is the final result of our right hand side of the operation, that is A complement intersection B complement. This is the final picture, final diagram. And now I'll compare this final diagram of right hand side with the final diagram of the left hand side, and these are the same thing. Here E is without color, A is without color, B is without color, B is without color, U is colored, and here U is colored. So these are the same thing, and it proves that, you know, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, and thus part 1 of the De Morgan's laws is verified. So this is how we do it, students. I hope it would be clear to you people, and with that I'll say goodbye to you people, and we'll see you in next video lesson. Bye bye for now.